Greetings, explorers, and welcome to another episode of Rome at Home US. Today, we're going to Nigeria, but not in West Africa, right here in the DMV. Nigeria's official name is the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Its capital is Abuja. As of 2023, had a population of 223.8 million people. Its currency is the Naira, and official language is English. Fun fact, did you know that Nollywood, which is Nigeria's filmmaking industry, has the second largest film market in the world in terms of output after Bollywood? Nollywood movies will make you laugh, cry, sigh, scream, shout, or whatever you feel like with these comedies, dramas, romances, thriller, and so much more, all hailing from Nigeria. Our first stop is to the Burna Boy concert at the Capital One Arena in Washington, D.C. Burna Boy is a Nigerian singer, songwriter, record producer, and performer. His music is described as Afrofusion. Burna Boy first gained recognition in 2012 for the lead single for his debut album, Life, titled Like to Party. His album, Love Domini, is the highest charting Nigerian album ever. So I'm not going to say too much more about the concert. Just see for yourself.
Repeat after me. Shayo. 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 Shayo.
Boy, was that Burna Boy concert fun. With all that singing and dancing, we worked up an appetite. So my girls and I are headed to Aroma Ultra Lounge in Bowie, Maryland. Aroma is Bowie, Maryland's premier African-themed lounge and club, offering an eclectic mix of entertainment, fine dining, and community events. Some of their specialties include jollof rice, coconut rice, whole tilapia, Caribbean oxtails, curry goat, agusi soup, okra soup, and red stew and rice, just to name a few. Aroma Ultra Lounge is a beautiful restaurant and lounge serving authentic dishes inspired by the Calabar people of southeastern Nigeria, adapted to an international palate. While their specialty is West African flavors, their menu encompasses a broad culinary spectrum across the African continent. Be sure to add Aroma Ultra Lounge to your next Rome at Home adventure list to experience the taste, flavors, aromas, and vibes of Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Rome at Home US, where we explored Nigeria in the DMV, and be sure to come back for more local destinations with international experiences. Ciao!